Guys, it is Megan. Hopefully and welcome back to our channel. So this time is nasa last part na tayo ng ating series, which is yung about sa Huda Beauty Neon Obsession palette. So this time is we're going to talk about and we're going to focus on this palette. So specifically with this palette. And this one is Neon Orange. Ayan siya guys. So natapos tayo sa ating Neon Pink and also yung Neon Green. And this time is wala na tayong gagawin reviews kasi during dun sa ating past two videos is nalaman natin kung ano yung mga cons niya, saka kung paano natin siya gagamitin, paano natin siya i-work out. When it comes to PLOUISE, we actually tried and tested it na, tapos alam natin kung paano siya i-work. So, ang pag-uusapan na lang natin is about dito sa ating mga brushes. Yung last time, sa last part ng ating video, is sinabi ko na super duper okay, saka super duper practical to have something na parang alternative. And it actually worked guys. Super nag-work siya last time. And then I just wanted to add this one, specifically this brush. This one is a detailing flat brush. Ayan siya guys. This one is kasama nitong mga ito. Itong apat na to. Tapos ito nga is ibang brand. This one is Aqualone Short Shader. So yun pala yung kanyang what do you call this? Brand. Tapos guys, ito di ba last time I actually said na this one, I mean, ito pala is nabibili sa Jollies. Actually, parehas sila kasi na merong ganyan. Hindi ko lang, ayun, Royal Aqua. Oh my God! Ngayon ko lang siya guys na pagtanto. Ayan. This one kasi is Aqua. Yan sinabi kong 50 pesos. Tapos, this one is actually an Aqualone. Pero, Diuvir siya. Ayan, Diuvir. Sa Diuvir, itong super late na to. This one is 215. Ito, last time, meron pa itong nakalalagay dito na parang 50 pesos something. Pero grabe. Di ba, mas makakamura kaya guys sa Jolly. So, ayun, sinabi ko na mas mura sa Jolly. So, better dun kayo bibili. Ayun guys, alam niyo na mas mura sa Jolly kumpara sa Diuvir. So, focus tayo this one. Actually, this one is super duper okay. Pang-smudge siya ng maliliit na details. And super duper nice ito guys. Kasi, ayan, as you can see, diba, this one is flat. Tapos, ito yung ginamit ko last time. Kung pina-follow niyo po ako sa aking Instagram, sa aking bagong Instagram account na I am Hope Liao, which is yung I-E-Y-E, tapos Hope Liao. So, ayun yung ginamit ko doon sa eye look na latest ko doon. Tapos, ito nga. This one kasi can actually work on edges, especially if nagko-concealer kayo. Kung wala kayong PLOUISE, okay na kung nagko-concealer kayo, this one is super okay kasi it can really work on edges. It can really work on hard to reach area na hindi kaya ng mga tapered brushes. So this one is super okay. Kung makahanap kayo ng ganitong klaseng brush, kahit hindi itong brand na ito mismo, is super nice to have. Especially if you are kind of makeup artist, so sobrang into, you know, detailed eye makeup. Let's now dig in na guys, kasi masyado na ako excited. So for me, masyado akong masaya kasi this is going to be the last part of our series, and then after this is makakapagbukas tayo ng mga panibagong palettes. So makakapag-introduce na naman ako sa inyo ng mga gandang products, mga gandang brands na for me maganda. So depende yun kung paano siya makikita sa video, paano ko siya papakita sa video. So kayo ang mismong mag-judge. Baka mag-fusion ako ng mga pants or eyeshadow colors with these two para sa isang makeup look. So ayun, let's start guys! Nakalimutan ko na kailangan ko palang mag-remove. This one kasi is actually perfectly nag-workout kapag directly on skin. So, kailangan talaga natin mag-remove ng part. So, to remove the part is we're going to use a petroleum jelly. That's a brush na precise. We're going to carve out. So this time we're going to use this. This one is PLOUISE Rumor number 3 because we're going to make it look like na parang skin lang. So medyo warm tone na yung kailangan natin.